charming ranch-style home located at 335 Deer Run Road in Brandon, Vermont, is available through a real estate foreclosure auction. Built in 1988, this single-story home features 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, providing a comfortable living space of 1,008 square feet. The property sits on approximately 0.51 acres, offering ample outdoor space for various activities. The home includes a 14 by 12-foot back porch, ideal for relaxing or entertaining guests, and an attached garage for added convenience. The full unfinished basement presents excellent potential for storage, a workshop, or future expansion into additional living space. Situated on a peaceful street, this property is perfect for first-time buyers, investors, or anyone looking to personalize a home to their liking. The live auction is scheduled for Tuesday, July 15th, 2025 at 11 a.m., with registration and inspection beginning at 10 a.m. An open house is available on Tuesday, July 1st from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., providing an opportunity to explore the home before the auction. This property is being sold as part of a foreclosure auction, and all sales are subject to terms and conditions. Contact us today for more information.